Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabby GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to cook hibiscus rice. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do together. Yalla! I welcome you all back to Chef Gabby GA channel. It's been a long time. Today we are going to cook a very simple, delicious, healthy food, hibiscus flower rice. Ghana, we use hibiscus to make sobolo. So I call it sobolo rice because this is how people remember it easily. And before we go into the cooking process, I want to talk little about the health benefits of hibiscus flower. One, it fights against inflammations. It contains antioxidants, lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and promote weight loss. So you can see if you take in hibiscus flower as a tea, or you add in any food you want to add your hibiscus flower, it will help you to fight against a lot of diseases like stroke, asthma, blood pressure, diabetes, a lot of diseases that this flower can fight. The scientific proven fact. Not too much talking. Let's go straight to the cooking process. Dear friends, this recipe is very simple. Only 4 ingredients: hibiscus flower, rice, water, and salt to taste. That's all. So I will take my medium ladle, 3 ladles. You can use less or more. It depends on how you want the hibiscus flower in the rice. There's no accurate measurement. And I will use 4 cups of rice and then 8 cups of water. But depending on the brand of rice you are going to use, you might need less water. Especially in Ghana, some of the rice we have here, if you use lots of water, your steamed rice is going to be like omutu or rice ball. So depending on the size of your family also, you can reduce the cups of rice. Maybe you want 2, 1, 3, depending on the size of your family. My 8 cups of water is ready. I will add the hibiscus flower, cover it to boil, then add my washed rice. As I said, this is super easy. So within few minutes, our rice will be done. Dear friend, the water is boiling. The hibiscus flower is brewed. You can even see it from how the water is looking like. It's very deep inside. I will strain it now. I will even strain it twice to get rid of all the particles, because I don't want to see a single particle in the cooked rice. So from here, I will put the strained water back on fire, add my rice, salt to taste, cover it, and you will be few minutes away to get our hibiscus rice ready. It's about 10 minutes now. The water is absorbed. I will give it a quick stir to make sure we have even distribution of heat, and also we don't have a lot of rice burnt or being hardened at the bottom of the pot. I will cook it for 7 to 8 minutes more, and our rice will be ready. Dear friend, the rice is ready. It took total of 80 minutes to get cooked. It's soft, tender, and tasty. Please, you can serve this at breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Very delicious and healthy. Please, this is super easy to make. Try it at home, and I know you are going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu.